Keep talking, Cody. I want to do more.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, Santa.
I'm Santa. Well, this is a story about Christmas.
Oh my God.
But I'm not sure what's going to happen yet.
This is priceless. This is going to be famous on YouTube.
Can't do that.
Yo, yes, I'm going to.
I was just talking to her, not you.
What do you think you're doing, Santa? I'm the devil. You can't be here. It's Christmas time. Oh, yes, I can. Well, you better get out of here because I got to deliver toys to all the girls and boys. Oh, yeah. We'll see about that, Santa. Let's get out of here.
You guys have to let her.
You guys, please
She's an
scoot
artist,
back.
okay? You
Please.
need to let her. You need to let her breathe.
See the intricacies of the puppet.
Well,
This is the back.
Paul, you're intimidating her. You guys have to scoot back.
don't intimidate me.
Come on.
Please. I'm the Lamb of God. I'm Patterson the cat. Oh, no. Oh, well, you know what? The devil's trying to destroy Christmas. You're kidding. Oh, my God. What are we going to do? I know what we can do. We can call on the shaman. Okay, let's do that. Okay.
It's gonna save Christmas.
This is some intense dialogue.
Oh my God. There's the shaman.
I am beyond Christmas. I am the magical solution to the universe. All you have to do is believe that what you really, 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 really desire, you shall have if you believe it without any reservation. So, I think I'm going to get rid of that devil.
Oh my God.
Oh, really? Can you help us? Yes, I can. All you have to do is believe in the power of the universe. Oh, really? Oh, okay. You mean we can get rid of Satan? Yes, you can. Just believe.
Why does the shaman sound like Satan?
I know, exactly. I think he's possessed.
The shaman got possessed.
Keep going. This is great.
This is so awesome.
Okay.
What is that?
All we have to do is pray to the universe and God. Because God controls the universe. Really? Yes.
Wrong one.
I'm putting this on YouTube.
Me too. Are you videotaping it too?
Because I broke my camera glass.
I'm going to get you, Santa, and everything you believe in. No, you can't, because I believe that you will never, ever have the power to destroy the spirit of Christmas. Really? Well, I don't know. I think I can control you, Santa. No, you can't. I'm calling on the power of the shamanistic beliefs. Here we go. Dear God, please help us. Okay. God told me to do this.